Well, I'm all set up for a Friday morning gig. First thing I get is a big Frost pocket knife. Get a lot of pocket knives over here compared to regular knives. Let's see what she looks like when she gets through. This might be my greatest creation ever. The guy said he wanted it sharp. Then he says, "Can you make it razor sharp?" I said, "I certainly can." I'm working on the first set of leather strops now with the compound, with the diamond spray. She'll be bad in a few. She's already bad right now, but she'll be worse in a few minutes. Oh my God! Stand by. Well, the market holds true. Got 2 more pocket knives. This is a pocket knife place. Got a really old one here. Can't make out what's inside of it, but I'll get it cleaned up a little bit to be able to figure out what it is. I've done a lot of these bucks over here, though. Try that again. It's IEXL. George. It's not George. It's JORCE. George, Worcester, England. Worcester Ham. Worcester Ham, England. I ended up putting this one in the Tormac jig. For me, it lines up and works better. I'll just turn it around, do the other blade when I get through with this one.